Welcome to the Bay Area where I was born and raised, and today I'm going to take you on an epic eating tour.
Where are we?
Okay. First stop, we are at Duc Hung in Vietnamese Town in San Jose. This place is iconic for their banh mi's. Honestly, since being down in Southern California, I haven't found any banh mi places that quite compare to this one. This one is still the best one in the state, in my opinion. So let's go check it out. So this is basically your typical Vietnamese deli where you have a plethora of delicious snacks, cakes, sweet, savory, all the things on display over here. And then their banh mi is where it's at. When I used to live here, they used to have a bunch of pre-made banh mi's already done, but I guess now it's made to order, which is just as good. We have this thing called banh duc, which is just basically a coconut rice cake with some fish sauce. This is also one of Cece's favorite. It's banh ya lung, which is I call Vietnamese mochi. It's like a jiggly cake. And then for banh mi, I usually get the cold cut combo that has a little bit of everything that I love in a banh mi. Everything was so cheap. I ordered 3 sandwiches and our 2 deli items, and the total was $22. You just get so much value. Thank you. They're so cute. They're like little tortas. Filled with so many delicious things. You have the cold cut, you have the head cheese, pate, and then I don't know what else to call this other than circle meat, but it's basically like a pork bologna. And as far as I can remember, it's one of the most delicious things I've ever eaten. The bread is not too hard where it scrapes the roof of your mouth. It's soft enough that you can bite into it. The meat flavor is not too salty, paired with the pate, and then you get a spicy bite of jalapeno in there. Maybe it's nostalgia, but I haven't been able to find anything down south as good as this. And now for our coconut rice cake. This is something that's very different. You don't see this at every Vietnamese deli, so this is more of a delicacy, I would say. Dip it in the sauce. The coconut rice cake is so silky smooth. I would almost compare it to like tofu jello. It's like lightly sweetened but not really, and then paired with like the minced meat and then the savoriness of the fish sauce. You get so many textures and flavor in your mouth at once. If you guys are in this area, I highly suggest the banh mi and this. I would rate this place 10 out of 10. Next up, we are at Falafel DriveIn, and this used to be my lunch spot. I used to work kind of near here. It's the most delicious falafel. It's deep fried in a pita with the perfect spicy tahini sauce, paired with a banana shake, and you have a winning meal right here. Extra hot sauce and tahini. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
So I was able to get some hummus and pita for the kids, the iconic banana shake, and then we have the falafel pita. Not much has changed about this place. They still have that very iconic sign out front. This is their falafel ball, wrapped in sauce and all this deliciousness. You gotta have the tahini. This is honestly one of the best things you will ever eat. Crunchy, flavorful little balls of spices, chickpeas, herbs, and then wash it down with some banana shake. Real bananas, refreshing, delicious, spicy. I love it. Let's try the hummus. Ooh.
That looks so icy.
It's an icy banana shake. This was actually my first foray into Mediterranean food like this, and they definitely set the bar so high, and it's so diverse, has so much character. Even Guy Fieri has been here and he raved about it on his show. If you're looking for industrial strength margarita mixed with a wine cooler, this is the place. We're at Aki's in Willow Glen, where they specialize in California Mexican food, but they also have delicious drinks. And this was actually one of my favorite places to meet up with friends back when I lived here, and hopefully not too much has changed. So one of the best things here is their guacamole, the swirls. I used to get the adobo chicken supreme bowls, but I'm feeling like I kind of want to try something else. Oh, and then I just happened to run into this lady over here. Hi! This is my sister. She's gonna be joining us on today's swirl flight. Should we get low-proof swirl because it's gonna knock us down? This is the avocado dip. It's basically guacamole scooped with salsa. The crispiest tortilla chip. Oh. It's really loud in here, but I would say the cost of each of these probably is equivalent or at least less than a Chipotle burrito. It's so easy to just get your food, grab and go. I got the chicken adobo bowl. My mom got the salmon mashed potato, although the salmon is a little small. The beef burrito, and of course the swirl flight.
Paradise Patron, strawberry Bellini, and Aloha Mai Tai.
We gotta do the swirl. We gotta mix it in. Oh my God, it's so strong. Can you tell I used to be a waitress? Salmon salad. So I got the adobo chicken bowl. There's cilantro. I love this because it's kind of like a salad bowl all in one. So flavorful. You get brown rice, you get corn, black beans, salsa, slaw. There's like all the things just bursting with flavor, and it's really healthy. I'm here with my college friends. We're getting some local tonight. We love you, Zach. Yay! This is a black sesame matcha, and it's literally the best matcha I've ever had in my life. It's so good. It's so good. I need to make this. And the perks of having my mom here is that we literally share everything, so I got an avocado toast sampler.
Very good.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Not too sweet. I like it. 8 out of 10.
Just 8 out of 10? 10 out of 10. I have another solo outing, meeting my best friend for lunch. I've been doing a lot of solo outings here, and it's been really nice, I have to say. Next up, we are in Vietnamese Town at a place called Tăng Dinh Cafe, where they specialize in bò nè and hủ tiếu mì, which is like noodles and beef. Oh, wait, hold on. Look at that. Do that again. Go back there. This is Kay, my forever BFF.
You need to get this girl.
Oh my God, it's literally popping on her. So the perks of eating with your best friend is that you can share the food. So here I got hủ tiếu Nam Bang, which is basically like a mix of pork, seafood, pork rind, and it's served with glass noodle. Dry. It's very unique to this region called Nam Bang, and then they serve it with this giant thing of ribs and the broth. Sometimes it gets stuck together, so a little bit of broth to help loosen things up go a long way, but it's kind of like sukamen. Super flavorful. And then Kay got this steak and eggs Vietnamese breakfast platter that they're famous for, and it was so hot that it splattered all over the table on her, but that just means it's hot and delicious. Oh my gosh.
Right? Flavorful. It's like a burst.
Yeah, it's like the most tender piece of meat ever. Very lightly seasoned.
10 out of 10.
Next up, we're at Tihi Organic Tea and Snacks. We're gonna get some Vietnamese pennywort drink. So they have a kiosk here. This one looks good with fresh coconut water and sugar cane. Okay, it's like a club in here, but if you guys don't know what pennywort is, it's a plant that's very bitter, and a lot of times it's mixed with sugar cane. And this is mixed with sugar cane and coconut water. That's super refreshing. I cannot do pennywort on its own, but I could probably do this. And it has a lot of health benefits for you too. Oh, it's like having a green juice basically. I feel so healthy drinking this.
That's good.
Our next stop is Marvel Cake, where I saw on TikTok they have these spiral croissants that's super trendy right now. And supposedly it's one of the best in town, so I had to check it out. It looks super fancy inside. Everything is behind like a glass wall, and this would be like the Tiffany's of pastries.
Mama, could I have this red one?
This one, okay. Everything is beautifully decorated. So they have sweet and What kind of swirly croissants do you have? Look what we got here. Hungry.
I like this one.
That one, okay.
And this one.
Yeah. So I pretty much ordered all 3 of their spiral croissants. It's crazy how they made this. This one is the pistachio. This one is their pastry cream with raspberry. And this is the chocolate croissant. I also had to get a savory one because I'm more of a savory croissant person. Spinach feta. Let's just crack it open. Oh my gosh. Whoa. So inside is like a pistachio cream, flaky, buttery croissant. It's nutty and buttery and creamy, not too sweet. It has like this pasty cream and then this pistachio cream on top. Now we have to go for the chocolate one. Oh my gosh. Inside looks almost like Nutella, but it's like a chocolate moussey cream.
What could I have? Could I have this one?
Whoa. It's like a very light chocolate cream, and if you've ever had, I don't know who else to compare it to, but like Beard Papa, that light cream that they put inside their cream puffs, this is like that. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Pastry cream. Oh my gosh, it's like oozing out. Oh, it's lemon. This is probably my least favorite. I thought it was just regular pastry cream, but I would say the best one is the chocolate, the pistachio, and then this one. I do have to say it's a little stuffy in here. Not environment, but like service. Isn't that friendly? And that's a wrap on our food tour. That was a quick Bay Area trip. I hope you guys liked the food I featured basically in the South Bay, but if there's anything you want to see the next time we're back in the Bay Area, comment below and watch the next video. I'll see you guys next time.